So there is this another airdrop which is public AI. So let's go how to do this. Simply go to beta.public.io website. Okay, then here you have to come to profile first. After signing up with your, I guess, Twitter account. So yeah, then you have to connect all these wallets and bind your Telegram account and Twitter accounts and Solana wallet, Near wallet, BNB wallet, OG wallet. I guess you required some money. So after doing this, you can come to history. You can check your points, how many you have received. So this point I have received is from this extension, like you can see. So in this, first we set up our profile. Okay, then here we came to dashboard. Here is nothing as such. As you can see, my all-time earnings and today's earning. I guess they give some daily login rewards too. So yeah, because I didn't done anything today, then what you have to do is come to upload. Here are few tasks like connect this and you will get this point. So as you guys can see here, I have completed most of this, so only 3 are showing, but currently I'm not interested that much. So yeah, another thing which you have to do is come to watch section. Here task will be given where you have to click go. Here everything details is written, key, what's good photo selection, like few photos are given, and this one is best example of bad submissions. So these are the bad submissions, but currently we can't, because when we click here it says no more data needed to be verified, but you can go to upload. To upload more you still will earn. So we go to upload. Here nothing is live currently, registered nothing, ended, this has been already ended. So yeah, simply you just have to do all these tasks from beta.public.io. Okay, then you have to install just an extension which is public AI data hunter extension. Simply, yeah, and you can earn anything from 200 to 300 daily. So yeah, as you guys can see here, today is 5 to 25 and this is of today's. So yeah, it is simplest airdrop. So yeah, anyone can do it. And here in referral we get 1,000 points and all, yeah, blah 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 and what. So yeah, I will be waiting for this coming soon one, because when we tap it just says coming soon. So yeah, it's a nice airdrop. You guys can participate in this. I will give my referral link in description box, so you guys can just directly tap and join and support our channel, please. So yeah, and if you can't do, simply it is my referral code, so you guys can see here. Okay.